Do you Google yourself?
Yeah.
Google पे है.
Best on-screen chemistry with?
That you have to ask the audience. How can we
How
answer?
can we say like that? मेरा favorite character आदि है.
Anadi.
Yeah, I really like the things you say in the film.
Red flags, ignore them or romanticize them?
Avoid.
Avoid it, which is distinct from ignore.
One thing about Aditya Roy Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan that people always get wrong.
I know.
What?
आदि मतलब anything will go. Anything doesn't go. Anything doesn't go.
According to you, what is green flag in relationship? What is the first film of Sara Ali Khan you watched first?
I think Kedarnath. No? Kedarnath.
You seen it?
I saw. नमस्कार दर्शकों.
नहीं, नमस्ते होंगे.
नमस्ते दर्शकों is what she does.
Sara, please, if you can do that. Namaste.
नमस्ते दर्शकों.
Chalo, we'll quickly play a game called Quick Rapid Fire Types.
We love that.
Yeah. Chalo. One thing about Aditya Roy Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan that people always get wrong.
अच्छा. What do people get wrong about you? I'm trying to think.
I know.
What?
I think you seem really like उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, you know. He feels like he's really, but he really like उसको फर्क
Yes.
पड़ता है, you know. Like he's on it. He cares, which is a great thing. I used to think कि यार आदि मतलब anything will go, anything doesn't go. Anything doesn't go.
He looks like very sweet, na?
He's very sweet. He's very sweet,
So,
but
but
he's
the
not
lover boy-
like. I used to think in a bad way.
Yeah.
कि यार it looks like he's not going to give a damn.
Yeah.
You know, but he does, which is a great thing. I feel.
I care. You're talking about work. About
No,
anything.
Anything. You seem like, you know, yeah, you do whatever you want, but it's like, no, do this, you know?
Hmm.
So, yeah.
Good. I'm trying to think about Sara. What do people get wrong? I don't know what impression. I can't. I don't know. If I don't have a proper answer, why answer? I'll
Okay.
think. Give me something now. What do you think people get wrong about you? Say.
I don't know. I don't know. I think people think I'm always like funny. I'm not always funny.
No, you're not always funny. You
Yeah.
go through your moods and
Yeah.
all that, which you have to.
Yeah.
And if you're always funny, then to be
Then it's
mad.
a
हो.
problem. Apart from each other, who do you think you share the best on-screen chemistry with?
That you have to ask the audience.
Yeah.
This is not
We
us.
can't answer.
How can we
How
answer?
can we say like that?
But आपको लगा हो ना कि ये मेरे साथ इसके साथ स्क्रीन अच्छा लग
को कुछ नहीं लगता है, ऑडियंस को लगता है.
नहीं. Okay. Which character's love story from the film did you personally connect to?
Meena Ji's, you know, I'm at that age in life now where I feel like connecting with Meena Ji's character. I'm just joking. Yeah. No.
You're always funny, I know.
Thanks. That's why he
See,
says
she's
I'm.
always funny.
And therefore I am.
Aditya, you?
I told you I've not seen the film, so how do I?
Is it better to love loudly or love quietly?
Quietly.
Love however you want to love. Whatever makes you happy.
Red flags, ignore them or romanticize them?
Ignore. No, avoid.
Avoid.
Avoid it, which is distinct from ignore. Yeah.
Ignore.
Yeah, like. No, avoid.
According to you, what is green flag in relationship?
Allowing you to be who you are without trying to change you.
I don't know. Just being honest with each other, kind to each other. All generic cliches.
Do you think we over romanticize relationship in cinema or that's it's a power of magic or something like that?
I don't think there's anything over. I guess cinema is a reflection of a heightened reflection of life. So you dramatize things.
Yeah. If you had to dedicate one song from the film to your real life self, which one would it be?
Zamana lage hai. Zamana lage.
Yeah, I like Dil Ka Kya also. You know, कभी कभी लगता है दिल का क्या.
आप जमाना लगे अब.
Abhi there's another. यही होगा.
No, don't.
I was waiting.
No,
Okay.
he's just joking.
Yeah, I know.
He's just,
Okay. Is love today more confusing or more simple?
I think we are more confusing in our own minds, so everything has become more
Yeah,
confusing.
but actually everything is very simple. Keep it simple.
Okay. What has Mumbai taught you about love or loss that a smaller city perhaps wouldn't?
मुझे तो इस चीज़ की पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं है
Yeah.
क्योंकि आई ओनली एवर लिव्ड इन मुंबई तो आई डोंट हैव अ पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ लिविंग समवेयर एल्स एंड व्हाट डिफरेंस दैट वुड मेक
Even I don't, but मुझे अंदर से ये feeling आ रही है कि बस भाग दौड़ बहुत है यहाँ. तो I think that if we could, I don't even know how to. I just feel like there's just too much running around. So anything is not really experienced fully. We're always on to the next, on to the
Yeah,
next,
it is
on to the
pretty-
next.
pace of life is crazy.
Absolutely. Do you Google yourself?
Yeah.
क्या सबसे weirdest चीज क्या की है, मतलब क्या दिखा है आपको गूगल पे अपने बारे में?
गूगल पे वियर्ड तो कुछ दिखा नहीं है मतलब समटाइम्स देयर सम वियर्ड न्यूज़ और आर्टिकल दैट कैन कम आउट ओवर द इयर्स आई डोंट गूगल माय सेल्फ ऑफन दो बट या एवरी नाउ एंड
नहीं
कुछ
वैसा
weird
कुछ
तो
weird तो
हाँ,
नहीं.
नहीं।
AI के चलते कुछ अजीब सी तस्वीरें आ जाती हैं जो कि नहीं आनी चाहिए. कभी किसी को बूढ़ा कर दिया, कभी किसी के कपड़े थोड़े कम कर दिए. I don't know, you know, some
Yeah.
weird like visuals. I think.
Yeah.
Absolutely. What is the first film of Sara Ali Khan you watched first?
I think Kedarnath na so Kedarnath
You've seen it?
I saw parts
Gave the review?
great she was amazing in it
या नहीं उस टाइम जब था.
नहीं है मैं रिव्यूअर तो नहीं हूँ ना तो
Okay, what's
Reviewer
the
हूँ।
first film of Aditya you watched?
Ashiki.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And फिर कुछ आया था फर्स्ट कुछ बोला था इनको मैसेज करके you were great or something
हम एक
like
दूसरे
that.
को
No,
जानते
no,
नहीं
we
थे
didn't
उस
know
time
each
पे,
other.
हाँ,
We didn't, but he was amazing.
Yeah.
अरे।
Yeah. What did your mom and Ibrahim said after seeing the trailer of Metro in Dino?
It's looking really different. It's looking really fun, and can't wait to watch it.
Have you ever felt like stranger in your own lives and how do you come back from that?
stranger in your own life yeah I think sometimes when I travel for long periods of time and I come back into my house come back to life after a long period away you can feel like okay this is my life like to get readjusted to living back at home yeah so you can feel a little bit strange like unsettled
क्योंकि you like traveling.
I like traveling I like traveling and disconnecting तो
Yeah.
कभी कभी वापस आता हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है oh shit
Shit वापस आ
ये
गया.
this is life okay
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think Bombay has a way to be just maddening little bit, especially if you're not working. तो जब काम नहीं होता है मैं बहुत कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं
निकल
ध्यान
गया.
आ
Yeah,
रहा है.
yeah, we see that.
Yes.
नमस्कार.
Yes.
नमस्ते. बट आप बताओ इनके अंदाज में नमस्ते जो ये करती हैं.
क्या क्या बताऊँ मैं
नमस्ते दर्शकों.
नमस्कार
नहीं,
दर्शकों
Yeah, namaste only.
नमस्ते दर्शकों is what she does
Sara, please if you can do that. Namaste.
Namaste, darshako.
This is
I
how.
miss this
Yeah.
namaste
Yeah, there's a little head tilt that happens.
this.
He's doing it better than me.
Yeah. Do you think today's generation is emotionally impatient or more self-aware?
Emotionally impatient or small self-aware probably
Both.
yeah probably
Yeah, both.
self-aware
Aware
for
of the
sure.
impatience while they're being impatient.
we all become impatient
Yeah.
because now
Attention
everything
span
is so
small.
and everything is so instant even ordering food is like tuck 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 and it's done
Yeah, yeah.
earlier you would have to interact with another human being
I still do.
You have to call and say, भैया ये
crazy
है क्या
about my
वो है
food.
this that it would take like now everything is so fast so we all become impatient.
Yeah, so agree.
Your internet is not working in 1 second you're like अरे
Yes, absolutely.
yeah
But in you're like calling to the restaurant.
Yes.
You're not using the apps?
No, I have a big problem, yeah. When it comes to food, like I call, like I personally call. You've never seen
but
me
some of
order
them don't
food?
even have that because most of them are with
I
these
don't
apps.
order from there. I order from 2-3 places,
Sara,
and I keep
I will
calling them
introduce you.
and I just explain
I
in
have to
detail
open
what I
your
want.
eyes. No, come on, I will show you
This is true.
what you need to be doing
नहीं, absolutely correct. मैं भी ऐसी हूँ एकदम choosy.
which we enjoy watching. You dramatize in action movies, dramatize. Don't you dramatize love to show what all is possible. I mean, those are movies. I don't think there's anything wrong with that.
I think that there's an element of like hope and aspiration that films showcase. I don't know if it's always like that.
सबसे पहले तो मैं आप दोनों को ही बोलूँगी कि क्लियर कर दो, सबको लग रहा है ये सीक्वल है जबकि ये सीक्वल नहीं है लिव इन द मेट्रो का, राइट?
Yeah, I could say it's in a way it's a sequel, but not.
See, I personally don't think
Story
it's
की
a sequel.
continuation नहीं है. It's not like you're taking those characters forward. तो वैसे sequel नहीं है. but it's a spiritual successor to the first one, is what Anurag sir has been saying.
Okay.
But it's pretty much the essence same hai. It's about love in metros, multiple stories.
But in Dino.
In the
But in Dino,
Because things have changed, I feel, in
बहुत
Dino,
कुछ
you know.
बदल गया है.
बहुत कुछ,
17 years,
yeah,
yes.
Yeah.
things have changed.
बट आप दोनों का जो कैरेक्टर है वो मॉडर्न डे लव को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, ठीक है. हाउ डू यू डिस्क्राइब आदित्य यू इन योर कैरेक्टर और सारा, हाउ डू यू रिलेट टू इट इन मॉडर्न डे
मेरा
लव?
कैरेक्टर तो बहुत ही मजेदार है, लाइक
बहुत ही ज्यादा.
he doesn't ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेता है लाइफ में, ज़्यादा प्लानिंग भी नहीं होती है. He's just taking life as it comes, experiencing things, and just going with the flow. और फिर definitely there is certain changes that happen to him in the movie, but I think आपको movie देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा उनका ग्राफ क्या है. And I think Sarah's character is, at least in the start, the opposite of him in a way. Yeah.
इन रियल लाइफ?
In the film.
Yeah.
Character की बात.
Yeah, I think she's like starts off thinking she has it all figured out, only to realize that she doesn't.
Yeah.
तो आज की तारीख में जो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे मन में हमेशा confusion चलता रहता है, you know, वो ये भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए, क्या क्या चाहिए. I think it shows that a little bit.
Absolutely. But this is your first film together, right? But I want to ask, how is it, you know, how have you evolved since that day to till this filming and then promotions? कितना कुछ, how is that process? What did you learn? Like, क्या energies पास किया आप लोगों ने, क्या? You also he surprised you?
काफी change हुआ है ना?
है ना? Start day
It keeps
से.
changing. कैसे evolve हुआ सारा बताइए.
आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं कि
हाँ, about your relations.
our relations, how have they evolved?
Evolved since start day.
How?
So
I guess you get to know each other more and more the more time you spend with each other, right?
yeah, I think comfort also increases. Maybe like
Yeah.
things that you wouldn't say now you can.
And we are now in different situations. Promoting is a whole different beast.
Yeah.
तो promotions में तो अलग ही दिमाग चलाना पड़ता
Yeah,
है.
honestly, I think set पे मतलब you're more in your character. You're more like in that world. I
Making
think little
scene work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, Basuda's there are people kind of telling you, making you feel the way that your characters need to feel rather than, you know, anything else. I think now during promotions is when you inflict your energies on each other.
Yeah, because you're not
A
like you're
little
not going on the side and like when you're sitting on set, आपका पूरा concentration तो उस पे रहता है.
Correct,
You're just
absolutely,
trying to be neutral in the time that you're off and then go and do your best, and that's a different kind of equation. But yes, in promotion you're being yourself.
Yes, and just like
For the
today,
most part.
just like today, you guys twin, है ना?
यार.
पूरा प्लान करके आए थे आप.
नहीं बिल्कुल प्लान नहीं हुआ है.
बस ट्यून हो गई है अब बातें कि ऐसे ही आ गए.
Twinning.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, just wanted to ask, ये कैरेक्टर आपको कितना अलग करता है, क्योंकि you have always considered or associated with your bubbly, outspoken. How this character depart from all the other roles?
Exactly that way. I think that जो कुछ होता है उसके शायद ज़्यादा अंदर होता है. I think she's less verbose. You know, मैं और मेरे ज़्यादा किरदार आई फील अपने शब्दों का प्रयोग बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. तो मतलब ये ज़्यादा शायद अपने अंदर ही सोचती रहती है. इनफैक्ट इन माई लाइक इन द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द फिल्म यू विल गेट क्वाइट it's an interesting take. I don't want to ruin it for you, but I do say that like I'm socially awkward. I don't really know how to, you know, communicate that well with my words. जो आज की तारीख में I think बहुत लोग ऐसे हो गए हैं ना, फोन पे बात करना आसान हो गया, इमोजीज आसान हो गई हैं, लेकिन रियल इंटरेक्शंस अभी इतने शायद होते नहीं हैं. तो वो दर्शाने की कोशिश है
ना. What about you, Aditya? Since your start, your debut until today, how have you evolved with your characters in real life?
I don't know. I mean, I'm constantly trying to look for characters that are different to do, challenging to do, try and keep doing something I've not done before. I think that's when you possibly are doing, you know, good work, when you are doing something you've not done before, when you're not sure if what you're doing is good or bad. You're on that edge of not knowing, and hopefully, you know, you get to explore more and more different like roles. And this was something exciting, something different from what I had done before, and hopefully that's what everyone also thinks.
Yes, but apart from you all, इनमें से आपका favorite character कौन सा है?
ये फिल्म तो देखी नहीं है तो आई डोंट नो. आई थिंक देखने के बाद ही पता चल जाएगा किस हु द फेवरेट इज.
जो मुझे समझ आ रहा है मेरा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर आदि है.
आदि.
Yeah, I really like the things you say in the film.
हाँ, काफी इंसाइटफुल बंदा है वो.
Insightful का पता नहीं, मतलब अलग है बहुत, मतलब
अलग है
हटके
थोड़ा.
चीजें बोलता है.
हटके है वो.
हाँ.
हाँ, so that was a joy to do actually. It was
Yeah.
so fun to
Yeah.
have dialogues that are interesting and fun like that. Like a couple of them made it to the trailer also.
Yeah.
Like
yeah,
पता कैसे चलता है कि ये प्यार होगी है कि गैस हो
गैस
गई
हो
है.
गया. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
all
इसमें
kinds of
सारा का
fun,
स्माइल आता है बहुत प्यारा.
fun stuff. Yeah, definitely a fun character.
Yeah, but how was it, Pankaj sir? It was shocking नहीं उनको उस किरदार में देखना.
मैं
I was
उनके लिए
like,
काफी yes, it's a new thing. Unfortunately इसे साथ में काम करने का मौका नहीं मिला इस फिल्म पे. लूडो में हमने एक दो दिन साथ की थी. But yes, in this film ये दो कहानियाँ overlap नहीं होते हैं. Mine overlaps with Fatima and Ali, and hers overlaps with Neena ji
and Coco.
And Coco,
Coco.
yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
No,
So unfortunately didn't get to work with Coco and Pankaj sir, but next time.
but हाँ प्रमोशन में आप लोग दिख रहे हो काफी.
No, I had like one shot almost with Pankaj sir.
Yeah.
And I remember actually seeing him on set because I had just finished shooting Murder Mubarak with him. And I was like, यार ये इतने अलग हैं. एक ही दिन का काम था पंकज सर के साथ. And I was like, my God, he's so different. And it's such a joy to just like watch him, like his work, of course, but even on set, I mean, he's amazing.
Was it the same way you went to the Anurag sir to say that कि मुझे फिल्म चाहिए, मुझे साइन कर लो ये वाला? The way you used to go before रोहित सर के पास या किसी के
नहीं,
पास?
फिर रोहित सर के पास ऐसे गई थी. नहीं, मैं मतलब अनुराग सर के पास इसके बाद अब जाना पड़ेगा बार बार कि फिर से ले लो, because it's such a lovely world that one has gotten attached to. But no, Basudha reached out to me and I was just thoroughly grateful and just so lucky कि ऐसा हुआ मेरे साथ.
But thank you so much for talking to me. It was lovely talking to
Thank
you,
you.
and I
Thank you.
wish you good luck for this project.
Thank you.
Trailer seems amazing,
Thank
great.
you so much.
Let's see how the film works.
Yes.
I
Thank
hope
you.
it works great.
Thank
we
you.
all are waiting for this rom-com.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.